Okay, so we are back with another one. So in the last episode, we put on the front splitter. We already have the rear diffuser on the Durango, but now we're at a point of, if you watched the last video, the clearance on the driveway, that's a concern. So what we're gonna do is build a little bit of a buffer at the bottom of the driveway to allow the Durango to not scrape at all. So here's the clearance we're working with to begin with. So now you know what we're working against, so we can make sure that we don't scrape when we're coming up and down the driveway. So this is how we're fixing it. This right here is a 4 foot by 3 foot rubber mat made out of 100% recycled rubber. Sounds like a commercial. The part number, item number is going to be in the top corner. I got this from Tractor Supply. They were 30 bucks a piece. I got 2 of them. So here it is, 3 foot by 4 foot, and this is what I've done to it. And they're 1/2 inch thick. So what I did was I took it and cut it into thirds, and then I stacked them on top, drilled a hole in each corner, and put some wire to hold them all together. And this is going to be my buffer at the bottom of the driveway to keep the Durango from scraping. All right, so here's where they sit. And you see the tire prints. So lining up about where that's going. All the way up the driveway. So she's airing it all the way up right now. So after those tests, we're gonna call it a success. So she's parking up in the garage, but yeah, so all in all, about 60 bucks plus some wire and twists and a little bit of elbow grease, and hopefully we'll continue to save the front of these vehicles. Thanks for watching.